You're welcome. Hello everybody. So I have Elizabeth here with me today. We're actually filming another video as we speak, and I'll link that down below. But while we're here together, we're actually gonna prank Myra. Myra is dead asleep right now. It's like 10 a.m. by the way. I've been wanting to prank her for weeks already. I bought a bunch of those, you know, the ball pit balls? I got so many of those, and I wanna fill up her car. Like completely fill her car up. I think she has like somewhere to be today. She's gonna kill me.
Oh my god, Karina.
I feel bad, but also
sorry, not sorry, sis.
I don't know. I'm excited, okay? But first thing we gotta do is we gotta get the balls. We need to get the keys. Where are the keys?
She keys them inside her room.
Well, let's go find her keys, but we have to be like really quiet. If she wakes up, you need to distract her.
Yeah.
Like maybe you could tell her you're having an anxiety attack or something.
Maybe I could tell her like I'm dizzy and I'm about to faint.
We need to go find her keys now. Let's go.
You're being too loud.
I'm so excited. I'm sorry.
Somebody came out of the Karina, I told her to shut up. Hey Brian.
Hello.
How you doing? I'm gonna look for my bag real quick.
Brian's awake. He's awake, but Myra is knocked out. I think we should tell him because he's not gonna go anywhere. We're gonna fill up her car with ball pit balls.
So we need the keys to her car.
Okay.
You need a ladder. Do you know where that is?
No.
You're gonna have to carry me up. Doesn't she have somewhere to go today?
Yeah. But in the bed, but
No! She's gonna kill us. Let's do it. I found the balls. We have...
Plus the 4 inside.
There's 10.
10 ball sacks.
This definitely could fill up her car. Hands down.
Yeah, I feel like even 6 of these would fill up her car.
I got a lot of balls. I got a lot of balls to do this prank.
Yeah, you damn right.
Maya's getting about and getting in the shower. We gotta do it like right now.
She's awake?
She's awake right?
Yeah,
Oh my god.
We gotta move this over there now because if not, she's gonna hear.
Go
this
get the car. Wait.
Give me the keys.
No.
Get a box now.
Myra's in the shower right now, so we're gonna start.
Does she have a mess in here?
Slightly.
It's not that bad. Oh, should I get her Louis Vuittons out of here? So her Louis Vuittons are in here. What if she needs them for today's event and they're gonna be under all the balls?
That's even better.
Wait, how are you gonna get in to put the key in to get the windows up?
No, it's keyless. You could just like push it in. Slowly but surely. Yeah, either way.
We have to do this right because if they go everywhere.
Hey, before you guys jump a lot, you're gonna
Well, they're going everywhere. They're going everywhere. Elizabeth.
I know there's a hole already.
Yeah, I know. I'm trying to get it down.
Oh my god.
Oh my god, Elizabeth, it's full to the top. I feel really bad now.
I know.
The balls are in.
That was a workout.
That was a freaking workout. She's in the shower right now. She's gonna get out. She's probably gonna be looking for her stuff. Well, she's gonna realize that her car is not on that side of the house, it's on this side. Oh my god, today is such a long day. A little bit behind. I need to go to Target because I actually have an event today. Whoo, sweetie, it's starting in a little rough. Where's my car?
Huh?
Where's my car?
I don't know.
Brian just texted me right now. She's looking for her car. She's gonna kill me. Nobody else has my key, huh?
No.
Yo, like for real, where's my car? Who the did that?
What did you do?
It wasn't me.
You don't have to go somewhere right now. Why would you do that?
You could drive with them like that. It'll be
Take him out,
fun.
dude. I'm not f***ing joking. Why would you do that? Take him out, dude. You know I have to be somewhere right now.
I know, but like,
Oh my God, Myra. Karina.
What happened to your car?
Are you kidding me?
What happened to your car? Oh
Wait,
my God,
since when did you get
Wow,
this?
Brian.
Why would you, Karina? I literally have to.
It wasn't just me though. It was all three of us. No, it was Karina's idea.
You know I have to be at an event right now.
Myra, it's fine. LOL. It's a prank. You really have to go somewhere?
Yeah, I'm going to a f***ing event. Who has the time for this?
we did it when you showered.
When I showered, you did this?
Yeah.
No f***ing way. This would have been funny if it was like Elizabeth's car or something. Oh my God, I like don't even want to open it, Karina. Don't f***ing tell me you guys filled the back.
The entire car.
Yeah.
The whole thing?
Open it. Open it.
Oh my God. Oh my God, I'm literally pressing buttons I shouldn't be pressing. Can't move it. I'm literally sitting on balls right now. Wait. I can't sit on the seat. Stop. I would have more fun if Myra, look at this. This is insane. Myra, look at this. This is like actually crazy. I'm out. Myra, how are you gonna get out? This is like we're swimming in freaking balloons. I mean balloons and balls. This is if I was 3 years old, this would be so much fun. But I have to go to an event right now. You're welcome. It was supposed to be a brunch. How am I supposed to go? Oh. I can't believe who has the time for this. I just want to know who in their right mind does something like this. Honestly, it's a freaking fun time in here. Does this mean I get a prank you now? Because, sweetie, it's on. You guys get in with us. So you're actually not that mad? I think I was more stressed out of the freaking event I had to go to. Because I was literally in a rush. I'm having fun. Well, I'm glad that you didn't get mad, but I don't know how the heck we're gonna clean this up. I don't know how the heck. Stop throwing balls inside. We have enough. Stop. Wait, you guys, there's a lot of balls in here. Where did you order this? Online. Okay, guys. Wait, you guys really did this when I was in the shower? Yes. Okay, I'm over these balls already. Nope. Okay, guys, that's enough. Oh snap! Oh my God, Myra. Oh my God. I'm gonna get out. Oh my God, I have to clean this up!